winding through your mind. Moment, space, and time. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. Do you remember this time? Do you remember this time? Will you remember this time? Will you remember this time?
Who knew that this day would come from a plethora of pictures and one amazing run? I really believe that God sent you to me at the perfect moment because He knew I needed love and someone to bring me closer to Him. Thank you for being such a godly man and showing me exactly what unconditional love truly means. With your love, you have broken down my roughest edges and made me realize who I honestly am. You exude so much love, not only into me, but into my children as well. And I couldn't thank you enough for coming into our lives with open arms and willingness to accept all of us, because that's a lot of estrogen. I want to thank you for holding my hand and walking with me through all of my struggles and making me even stronger than I was before. With you, I have no fears because you have taken all of them away. I know you will protect me and our family, and I vow to be faithful and supportive, to be your toughest ally and fiercest defender. I vow to have patience and a heart that is ready to ask for forgiveness or to forgive. I vow to strive for happiness and to show you love every day. I vow to encourage you and respect you and to put you first and to always speak the truth. You have my heart, and together I know we can conquer the world. I deeply love you.
How we made it this far. Do you remember this time? Do you remember?
Ever since the first day I met you, I knew it was something special about you. And I know that sounds cliche, but honestly, you know my past, and so you know my data is not wrong. I thank God every day for you, because you are everything I want, and everything I didn't know I needed. I never thought I would be a father this quick, this how, but I love your daughters, and I can't wait for Jaylani and us and Ayana to move forward and get to so many memories and make more. I vow this day and all days moving forward that I will do my honest and godly best to be the best husband there ever was for you. I vow today to make you happier tomorrow than I did yesterday. And tomorrow I'm gonna make you happier than I did the day before that. And I'm going to continue to make you as happy as you will allow us to be, baby. I promise to do my best to father Jaylani as much as possible. I love you, little girl. And to be a guide to Ayana as much as she will allow me. I vow today to provide you with as much as I can, and also to take you and go through any struggles together. I know that if we work together, we are the perfect team, and that's why you're here with me, and why I would love for you to be my wife for the rest of my life.
I declare that they are husband and wife.
Ayana, but I'm gonna be whatever you need me to be, sweetie. You understand that? And so, I'm your family. I just got you something, and it's a watch, it's a little symbol. So remember that. It's us over everything. We got you. Okay?
When I first met you, I thought you were a really amazing guy. I respect everything that you do for my mom. Thank you for showing her how great she is and how much she deserves. Thank you for always pushing Jay to do her best and being the best father figure in her life.
You came in my life. I love you, and you mean the world to me. And even though you're my stepdad, you feel like a real dad to me.
I knew when I proposed that I don't just get her, I get all three of y'all, and especially you. And right now, I would love it if you would do me the honor of letting me be your father. I love you, girl.
If our love was like lemonade, I would drink it every single day, making memories out of clay. Yeah, we got this. It's so hard that I'm making mine. If there's mountains that we're gonna climb, putting our past all behind. Together we'll make it. We're counting down the days, baby, baby. Oh yeah, we're counting down the days. We will live life like this forever. Two hearts collide like no other. The sun will rise. We'll watch together, living our lives. Now we are one. Now we are one. Now we are one. Now we are one. I would never try to run away. Can't imagine giving you away. There's a lot of rules to this game. Yeah, we got this.
Individually, you guys are both amazing people, but when you guys are together, you guys just click and it's amazing.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would. Watch out now. It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out now. I'm ready for a good time, and I came to groove. The whole band's here and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes. We're here all night like we got nothing to lose. I'm coming out the jacket cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat. Watch out now. Baby, watch out now. Last call for some alcohol, and don't forget to tip. The sun went down, but we still lit. The band's still going, playing all the hits. I can't stop now, too legit to quit. I'm coming out the jacket, cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot, and I can't be beat. Watch out now. Everybody watch out. Watch out.